Welcome back to the channel, SGO Media. Let's talk about the S-Tab 9. I got the regular S-Tab, and one of the reasons why I got the regular S-Tab is because I'm used to a small phone and I'm used to small screens, and I already have a Mac if I wanted to have a bigger screen while editing. And I feel like the S-Tab 9 is already, it's already big enough, honestly, for what I do. I edit videos and edit pictures in Lightroom. And as you can tell here, I put this mic right here so you guys can still hear me. Is as smooth as can be. I love this thing. I have been able to not use the computer at all. I don't think I've used the computer since I've had this. I used to always edit my videos in Adobe Premiere, but because I have so much going on with my life, my work, my schedule with my daughter, my wife has a business, so we're always busy, and I can't just sit down and edit for hours. And so I decided, you know what? I want to make content, but I want the fastest way. And CapCut has been my to-go edit application right now. And so running Lightroom here is a beast. I haven't had any stutter. I haven't had any. I just shot a quinceañera, right? And I edited the whole video on this tab. And the thing about editing on a tablet is that sometimes you want to zoom in, do something really quick, cut, paste, whatever you want to do, delete. And with just having my Mac, maybe I'm not experienced enough to use it with the shortcuts, but I just feel like touching it and doing all this on the tablet, I just think it's a lot faster. And like I said, right now I am more about doing things faster than taking my time, because I do want to make content and I do want to continue doing YouTube and reviewing products, but I need to find the best way for me. And this tablet has been amazing. I mean, even if I want to jot things down and, don't want to get on my computer and write a note or something, I can take this out. Boom. Where's the pen? I can start writing. Hold on. Where's the pen? I can start writing whatever I want here. If I want to edit photos with Lightroom, this pen right here has been awesome. Like editing here in the edit tab, boom. I can drag and drop, and the cool thing about it is it has little gestures where you don't have to actually touch the screen. You just get really close and it scrolls down for you. And getting to move these a certain angle, this pen really does help. So for editing pictures, this is a must. And with the screen being the size that it is, if I had the Ultra, it would be humongous, honestly. I don't know if I could do the Ultra. And the other reason that I chose the regular tab is because I'm always at home, right? I'm always around plugs. I don't need a huge battery that needs to run me all day without being close to a power out. Like, I'm always home, so I'm always editing at home, and so I didn't feel like I needed the bigger battery. And like I said, I don't need a big screen either. This is exactly what I need. It has the same specs as far as performance. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this has replaced my laptop, honestly. I do understand that I do need a laptop for certain things, but from day to day, social media, editing pictures, whatever, playing games, and whatever, this is it. This is it. It has replaced my laptop, to be honest with you. It just depends on what you guys are using your tablet for. If you're really, working with 6K video footage from a Red camera and multitasking like crazy and working with 10 gigabytes of video per video, yeah, get a laptop or a desktop. But if you're doing things on the fly, if you just want to watch a movie, want to watch YouTube, if you want to play a few little games here, get your PlayStation remote, connect your screen, this is the best. This is the best. For me, the S-Tab 9 Plus is really like who's going. It's either you want a big screen or you want a smaller screen. Has anybody got the S Plus? I mean, I'm just asking, but because it's either this or the bigger screen. I just don't know why anybody would go in the middle. But maybe everybody has different taste. The only thing that I would say is getting used to it is with my laptop. I obviously the keyboard, and you can angle the screen however you want and it'll stay there. With this one, you have to hold it, and whenever you're watching movies or videos or whatever, sometimes you well, not sometimes, most of the time I cover the speakers with my hand if I'm watching it like this. So I try to prop it up in my lap like this, or if I'm laying down, I try to I actually try not to lay down because I don't know how to hold it. So I don't know if there's a case out there that can be something where you can prop it up and move it in an angle, it'll stay. I don't know if there's something out there, but that's the only thing that I would do. Other than that, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's thin, and it's incredibly thin, and you should honestly get a case, because every time I do grab it, I feel like I'm going to drop it, and I don't feel like it's going to sustain a big hit. All right, so make sure you guys really get a case for this. I'm still not used to where the power button is. I keep clicking the volume rocker. I don't know why, but I keep doing that. And as far as the fingerprint scanner, it has not failed one time. The performance on this is great. I've had it for a week, and it's my go-to device for sure. One of the other things that I like about the Tab, and I don't know if it's just me or just my computer is old, or I haven't really checked on the model because it's actually my wife's. I just use it. It's her Mac. But I think it's a MacBook Pro, but I don't know what year it has or what year it is. Whenever I transfer videos from my camera that I'm recording at right now, I hook up the USB-C here, and I go to Files, obviously, and I transfer the media from my camera to this. I don't have to airdrop like I do with my phone because I still have the 13 Pro. I don't have USB-C. So I still have to transfer it to the Mac, airdrop it, and all this annoying stuff. With this one, just plug it in, transfers it, and I think for some reason I feel like this transfers files faster than the Mac. I don't know why I feel that way, but I feel like it does. I feel like it's very, very, very fast transferring files, and it's great. And I can start editing right away. I don't have to airdrop, like I said. I don't have to do any of that. I don't want to upgrade to the iPhone 15. I don't like upgrading iPhones, honestly, because I don't think there's much to it. It's the same device, it's the same software, it's the same everything. It bumps up in camera and stuff like that, but I already have a camera if I want to take great pictures. So I don't know. That's why I enjoy Android. That's why I enjoy having different types of Android devices to test on here. And with a tablet now, I want to start testing other tablets. I want to test the Google tablet. But yeah, this tablet has been amazing. All right, the screen is amazing. I don't know what else to say that will convince you, because you'll have to play with it. Like, if you haven't had one, if you have never had a tablet and you want to get one, just get it. Just get it. You'll thank me later. It probably will be your most used device that you have, because it has the best screen that I've seen on a phone, best brightness, and the processor you can't beat. You can't beat, and this thing is amazing. That's all I can say. But anyways, I've used it for a week. The main title of the video was, can it replace your laptop? It just depends on what you do. For me, I do slide editing with the video, and I don't need the perfect video. I edit photos. I take pictures a lot. For me, this is all I need. This is all I need. I don't really do anything else outside of that, and other than watching YouTube videos, uploading here and there, but that's all I do. So for me, it has replaced my laptop. I haven't even touched the laptop, honestly, and now my wife can use it. Unless I get something else, then I'm gonna have to use it. But for now, this is what I like. This is what I'm using, and this is what I'm going to use going forward if I decide to keep it. It's tempting to get another device, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be testing a phone here soon. You guys let me know what you guys want to see. Do you want to see the Pixel 8a or the OnePlus phones? You guys let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. More videos coming soon. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the notification as well, so we can continue to make these kinds of videos. We'll see you guys in the next video.